I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jessica, and today I want to transport you all to Búzios in Brazil. I hope you are as excited as I am to start exploring this stunning destination. Be sure to like this video and to leave a comment so that I know you're excited to join me for this adventure. We're starting off our Insta-worthy tour from the Pontal do Armacau, an awesome spot surrounded by sandy white beaches and high cliffs. I can feel the cool ocean breeze even from here. As we walk, there are plenty of beachside bars and restaurants. Let's take a break and grab a bite at one of them. Now we're heading to the center of Búzios, a city that is packed with vibrant street art and a variety of local shops. We can relax and spend some time the way locals do, shopping, talking, and enjoying an ice-cold beer on a hot day. But let's not forget the beaches. From Praia Jeriba to Praia do Forno, there are plenty of opportunities to unwind and enjoy the ocean. Swim, sunbathe, and feast your eyes on the breathtaking views. I could stay here forever. As the day slowly passes, we take a stroll around the Praça Santos Dumont, a relaxing and quiet square with a beautiful religious building at the other side. It looks very peaceful. I could actually stay here forever too. And don't forget the nightlife. After dark, the city comes alive and people from all over the world come together to share stories and make memories. Whether it's a chilled caipirinha at a terrace bar or joining a samba dance, Búzios really has it all. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this virtual tour and have had an amazing experience in Búzios, just like me. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming adventures. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, ciao.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!